Hello and welcome to this presentation from Pluralsight. My name is Andrew Mallett and I'm here to help you through the module Maintaining a Linux File System. And this is all going to make up part of our LPI Level 2 certification and the 201 exam. In particular, we'll be looking at Objective 203.2, Maintaining a Linux File System. In doing so, we can break this into three separate modules. First of all, we're going to take a look at the tools and utilities used to manipulate ext2, ext3 and ext4 file systems, or our generic extended file systems. Then we can start looking at some of the tools and utilities used to manage and manipulate the XFS file system. And then we can take a look at the awareness of the BetterFS or the BTRFS. But we'll take it a little bit beyond just an awareness and we'll look a little bit more detail at the BetterFS. The first things we're going to take a look at is just the fscheck utility. So of course, as the name suggests, we can run file system checks with this. So file systems need to be unmounted to be checked. During the boot phase of a machine, the file system check can take place as we run from our initialization RAM disk before we mount our file systems. The generic program fscheck is part of our util Linux package, and we're going to find this on pretty much every system. And we can see with the importance of its location being /sbin fscheck. We also have for the XFS file system fscheck.xfs. So this is in fact a wrapper program that is supplied as part of the XFS progs, or the package used to install our utilities to manage and format XFS file systems. And similarly, we have fscheck.btrfs, and that's a wrapper program used to run then the file system check on BTRFS file systems. And again, that comes with the BTRFS progs package. And I haven't made a mistake on this side, it's just the slight inconsistencies that you can see within the names. XFS progs without the hyphen, and then the hyphen in the BTRFS package name. We can also force a file system check on boot. And if we create a file at the root of the file system called force fscheck, then during the next boot, a forced file system check will be implemented. Once the check is complete, the file itself then is deleted, so it's a once-only event. We have to then create the file, and we can do that just with the sudo command and sudo and touch, as we see here. If we want to look at checking our file systems, let's move now to our CentOS 7 machine and looking at how we can perform some basic file system checks.